Pinterest has officially convinced me that people out here are secretly fashion geniuses, because some of these upcycled dress ideas do not even look handmade anymore. They look designer. I am talking about dresses made from old clothes that somehow ended up looking expensive, creative, stylish, and completely one of a kind. Today, I went scrolling through Pinterest and found some seriously incredible upcycled dress ideas. And a few of these transformations honestly shocked me because I could barely believe what the original pieces looked like before. Some are elegant, some are bold, some are beautifully vintage looking, and a couple of them made me want to run to my closet immediately before donating another thing. I love videos like this because they remind people that creativity can turn almost anything into something beautiful. You do not need a giant budget to make fashion that stands out. Sometimes you just need imagination, sewing machine, and the courage to cut into fabric without panicking halfway through. I linked the Pinterest board down in the description so you can scroll through all the ideas and patterns for yourself. And I want you to vote in the comments for your favorite dress, because once we hit 100 votes, I may recreate the winning idea in my own style right here on Ms. Angela Sawyer. Now let's get into these amazing upcycled dress ideas and see which ones deserve a total fashion comeback. Pinterest really reminds me how different fashion used to feel compared to today. Years ago, clothing was often much more personal, handmade, repaired, redesigned, and created with real creativity behind it. People sewed their own dresses, added special details, reused fabric, and made pieces that actually reflected their personality instead of just buying whatever trend showed up in stores for 2 weeks before disappearing again. That is one of the reasons I love upcycling dresses so much, because it brings that creativity back in a really inspiring way. Instead of looking at old clothing like it has no value left, people are turning forgotten pieces into something beautiful, stylish, and completely unique. And honestly, some of these upcycled dresses have more character than half the clothes hanging in stores right now. There is just something special about wearing something nobody else in the world owns. It feels artistic, creative, and personal in a way fast fashion rarely does anymore. If you want even more inspiration after this video, there are tutorial videos linked in the description from other videos, along with new ideas you can check out anytime you want more sewing and upcycling inspiration. I also think videos like this encourage people to stop being afraid of experimenting creatively. Sometimes the most amazing projects happen when you take a chance on fabric that almost got thrown away and turn it into something that feels brand new again. And while you're watching these ideas, I want you thinking about what you already have sitting in your closet that could become your next favorite project. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, because I have so many more creative sewing, Pinterest, and upcycling ideas coming to Ms. Angela Sawyer. And when this video is over, make sure you watch the next video coming up, because I think you're really going to enjoy that one too. And I'll see you there.